Hello, and welcome to another exclusive interview here on the Attorney Reporter. Today I'd like to welcome Roy Doppelt of Pinkerton, Doppelt Associates. Roy, welcome to the Attorney Reporter.
Thanks for having me on the show.
Our first question, I'd like to focus on your website for a moment, coming from the consumer's perspective. From navigating on your website, it's obvious that you're a full-service family law center and your credentials speak for themselves. But what if I want to gain more knowledge on the family law issues? Where do I go?
Our website is an excellent tool to become more self-educated on the topic of family law. But family law is a very difficult and complex area, and we advise you strongly to consult with an attorney. Second, we provide a lot of information and different tools for clients to help educate themselves, like our articles, like our daily newsletter, like our email newsletter, and our divorce guide. And we also supplement that with our in-person consultation. This will give you the opportunity to make the most informed and intelligent decision about your individual case.
Roy, considering how complicated family law issues are, what is your professional opinion for those visitors that want to, say, do it themselves? Is it recommended, and should they still come in for a free consultation?
I think, unfortunately, sometimes people decide to do it themselves, but the reality is that this is a very difficult area. Emotions get involved, and people make decisions from emotions, rather than what the law would accord them. That is not a good way to handle your case. In addition, there really is no way that you can have the education, training, and experience that you need to make the most informed and intelligent decision about issues that can affect you for the rest of your life, your children, where they're going to live, what's going to happen with your property, and support issues. We give a complimentary and confidential consultation, so you don't have to go through that alone. Please feel free to come in and see me or any of our attorneys. We'd be happy to sit down and discuss your matter with you.
Roy, my next question comes from your visitor's perspective when choosing the right attorney for their family law issues. What do you recommend they look for when consulting with an attorney? And if they were to ask your clients, what would they say about their experience with your law firm?
That's an extremely important question because nobody wants to make the wrong choice on such an important decision. The first thing is to make absolutely sure that they have a current and valid license with the State Bar of California. That's a mandatory requirement for attorneys in the state. Also, in my opinion, it's extremely important to make sure that they're members of the Better Business Bureau. The Better Business Bureau is an organization that's been in business for many years and gives objective and unbiased advice. In addition, it's very nice if the attorney is on one of the panels for the county, such as the San Diego County Lawyer Referral and Information Service. But one of the most important things is the professionalism of the attorneys. What many clients have told us over the years is that they appreciate our honesty and our frankness and candor. When people come in for their initial consultation and during their entire case, we make sure that we analyze the case properly and use our education, training, and experience to suggest strategies and techniques to put together the legal plan that will be the most efficient and the most expedient. We always put the interests of our clients ahead of everything else, including even the interests of our own firm.
So in conclusion, what you're saying is you strategize and develop a solid plan. You follow through with that plan with integrity and honesty for the best results for that client.
In our firm, we will do our personal best to protect your rights and try to obtain your goals. We will put your interests ahead of everyone else's, including our own, in order to get the best result.
For our final question, Roy, we found through our research that you handle a lot of clients out of state, if you will, and out of county. How do you maintain a high level of quality legal representation?
This is one of the reasons all of our out-of-county and out-of-state clients benefit from our representation. We fax to them and don't charge for the fax. We email to them. We also send letters to them, and we don't charge for the postage. In fact, we don't even charge for the telephone calls. In this way, it's not a money issue, and we communicate with our clients very effectively, both out of county and out of state.
Roy, I have to say, very impressive, and I want to thank you for being here on the Attorney Reporter.
I really appreciate you having me here today, and I look forward to answering any questions or helping anyone who may be seeing this interview.